Morning, people. Coming up on 4:30 on a Saturday. Okay, here I'm making me some jalapeno cheese poppers. I take my jalapenos, I cut them in half like that. Then I take my spoon and I scrape out all the inners. You can do whatever you want to do with that. Then I grate cheese. And the best way I found is just take a gulp of cheese and load up a jalapeno. Then I put them right into my air fryer. Again, just load them up. It's all about the cheese, baby. So anyway, how y'all doing? I'm doing, have my little challenges here and there in life, but hey, without a challenge in life, how boring would that be? Yuck. Anyway, doing my life my way. Oh, look at that cheese, will you, baby? I eat a lot of cheese, but what the hell? It worked for me. Move that over here. Open them up. Here comes the cheese. Pack it down in there. Cheese. Well, I think maybe today will be shopping day. Yeah, somebody keeps eating all my food. Can you imagine who that might be? Looking good, feeling good. 6'3", 180 pounds. Cooking my meals. Breakfast, usually. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Gonna be close. Put the cheese over there. Pack it on, baby. Pack it on. Air fryer's getting full. Cheese, baby. Chuck E. Cheese. What can I say? And look at that. Came out like almost perfect, huh? Let's see. Get over where I can see it. There we go. There we go. What's this? This is a little bit big one. Hey. Little ones are good too. How's that looking to you? Looking good to me. So now, get over here. Put my air fryer. And I'll turn it on. Air fry. Around 300 and, what does it say, 75 degrees. It'll work. For how long? Set it for about 20 minutes. To do its thing. Hopefully. There we go. So I'll check it in about 7 minutes. I just don't want the cheese to melt. I want to have a little crust to it. So, air fry. Yummy, yummy, huh? More to come.